Very happy for your result. So the topper of the school is K. Varshit Ram with the marks 568. Congratulations Varshit, we are very proud of you. And second topper is B. Pavitra with the marks 557. And third R. Venkateshwan with the marks 545. So this is the first year where the boys are dominating than the girls. So the topper of the school is a boy for the first time. And next M. Vaishnavi with the marks 539. Next S. Prasanna 537. Sai Vedana 533. Shravanti 525. And Amulya and Harshita 506. And between above 450 marks, 450 to 500, we have 10 students. So overall pass percentage is 92%. So we are very proud of your result today and wish you all the best for your future. So now I would request our school topper, Varshit Ram.
Congratulations to all my dear friends for scoring good marks. I am very happy for scoring 558 marks. This is not my win. This belongs to all our teachers who encouraged me and my parents who encouraged me a lot. All our teachers and sir encouraged us and supported us for scoring these many marks. I am very happy and for these marks I decided to take BPC in intermediate and to be doctor and do social service. Thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity.
Thank you. So as Varshit said, this success is not just yours, it is the achievement of our school, our teachers as well as your parents. So next I would like to invite Harshal Abhyakumar to speak. Conference.
Respected principal sir, madam, teachers and my dear friends, I wish you congratulations to all my friends for achieving good score in the 10th class exams, and I feel proud to ourselves. I even gave this wonderful opportunity. Started and achieved MBC in
Respected headmisters, teachers and my dear friends, first of all, I congratulate all of my friends for your hard work and achieving your great success. I want to take MBC in Inter and take C and become a CA. I dedicate my achievement to Shanti Vidyaniketan High School and thank you for supporting me and staying with me and encouraging. I express my gratitude to all the teachers, principals and teachers. I dedicate my achievement to the Shanti Vidyaniketan High School. Thank you.
Everyone, first of all, I congratulate all of you. After writing your exam, I taken the expected marks on 30th evening. Are you remembered? So, sir, you can compare yourself. On 13th evening, after writing your social examination marks, you gathered small get together. So no, but I not given on that day, given on 14th. So if you are right. But on that day, I taken the feedback from what is your expected marks. So no, you compare your expected marks, what is your marks you got. Here lectures told me how what is the reality in that marks, you find out. That I want. What I want is whatever marks you are getting in the school, same marks or more, you must get in our other examinations, wherever you may be, whether in intermediate or your degree or in PG, whatever may be, you must get improvement should be there. And again, don't degrade your study marks. And one more important thing here is you break the record of the school. Before record is only 553. Now it is 558. From here. Let's see also break again. Pavitra. No, that is not your mistake. Actually, first they announced your birthday result third and fourth. May third, fourth they announced, but they given 4 days before only. Why? Form is will be in the. But breaking the school record. And actually Pavitra also, what is chances after video this could all know. Video this could Pavitra after students and all know. Photos are very candid. This above 525, 8 students are there. You know the names, I not to analyze the results more and more. Out of 37, 33 are passing. Only 1 or 2, that is also the max for me. ఎవరో నేను చెప్పకపోయింది మార్నింగ్ ట్యూషన్ మా కొట్టిన మహానుభావులు మా ఎవరైతే మ్యాథ్స్ అయ్యారో ఆ నలుగురు మార్నింగ్ ట్యూషన్ కొట్టి మహానుభావులు నలుగురు ఈజీ పాస్ అయిపోతారు. ఈజీ the supplement exams are there, therefore numbers are going to fall easy. Don't worry, you can work hard whatever topics I give to you. And second thing is, up to now I am repeating same thing. You are under control. Once you going out of the school, continue the same control. Don't go beyond your control towards the next actions. Either boys or girls. And machine or every one we are you. And one of the అది పెడతారు బాగా ఎంత హార్మో నిన్న 2 o'clock రిజల్ట్స్ రాకపోతే ఒకటి మీద ఒకటి పడి పోటీ పడి బాబు ఎంత బాగా యాంగ్జైటీ తీసుకుంది. But make continue the inspiration to future also, not just for here. Whatever inspiration you are having, that will continue for your further studies. Okay now, Rahmata here. How many we got? 420, very good, not bad. Very good. But if you work hard more and more, we pass wonderful result in different years. No, not there. No. Wonderful result. Unexpected result. Also. No, not another word. Ranti, very good. Even he was he was more eligible to the school, but at end from February onwards he concentrated more. So no, he only got 462 and not expected that marks from Ranti. But he might made to చెప్పాడంట ఒకసారి ఎప్పుడు కాదు చివరి చేసేటప్పుడు చివరి సెలబ్రేషన్ చేసేటప్పుడు మేడం నేను చాలా స్కూల్స్ అయినాం మేడం ఎక్కడ దిగలేను చూడండి చాలా బాగా చేశారు వాళ్ళు ఇక్కడ నేను తెరిచి మన స్కూల్ పేరు నిలబెడతాం మేడం అని ఓడిస్తున్నట్టు మేడం. కాదు మీరు అడగండి, కాదు ఇప్పుడని అడగండి, అబద్ధం చెప్తున్నాము. చేయడం చేయరోజు చేయడం చేసి సెలబ్రేషన్ చేసినప్పుడు వాడు ఎక్కువ చూడాలంటే ఎక్కడ ఆ చేయడం చేసి సెలబ్రేషన్ ఆ విధంగా చేయడం చాలా బాగా చేసాం మేడం. నాకు బాగా నచ్చింది మేడం. మా స్కూల్ మంచిగా చేస్తాం మేడం. అంటే నువ్వు చదువుకొని చూపించడం అంటే అది ఇన్స్పిరేషన్.